The only thing the Igbo dialect does for us, it doesn't hinder our communication. It helps us to know where somebody is from. For instance, if I hear an Abakaliki person speak, I know you are from Abakaliki. If I hear Anambra person, you are from Anambra. Imo, I will tell you are from Imo. Abia, the same thing. Igbo, Igbo Online College. Hello, I welcome you back to Igbo Online College. So today I want to talk to you about something very important that a lot of people find weird or find difficult actually in learning Igbo. That is the Igbo dialects. In Igbo we have so many dialects, plenty dialects. That is aside the different states. Now, we have 5 core Igbo speaking states: Anambra, Imo, Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, Ebonyi. These are the core 5 speaking Igbo speaking states. Now, inside each of these states, we have different dialects. Yes, that is how much it is. Different dialects inside each state. For example, in Anambra, we have different dialects that when somebody from Igbo is talking, I will know. When somebody from Nnewi, Onitsha, Oka talks, I will know. Likewise, when an Nsukka person speaks, I will know. When an Igbo person speaks, I will know. So people find this difficult. Why? Because I might teach you something and say, welcome in Igbo is no. Then another person will come and say alo as no. Again, you will be kind of, what is this? Never mind, never worry about that. The only thing is concentrate. Just learn the standard Igbo. You know why I said you should concentrate on the standard Igbo? Because anybody, any Igbo person you speak that to will understand you. Now, when Igbo people come around you or when they gather to speak from different places, there is this linguistic compromise we have that you do not speak your core dialects to somebody that is not from your place. Except those people that have not moved away from their environment to other places. Those are the people that they've not had any linguistic contact, any contact with other languages, other dialects, and as such, they cannot speak any other dialect except theirs. But you hardly see those ones. You see them in the villages in the interior. So I will urge you to continue learning Igbo. Stick to the standard Igbo, because the standard Igbo is made up of Anambra Igbo, Imo State Igbo, Abia State Igbo. So we understand. Everybody will understand you when you learn. Have you started learning Igbo? Please continue. And if you've not started, kick off. Start right away. If you have started, do well to practice. Speak. Speaking will help you to develop your speaking confidence, and it will help your vocabulary building. It will help you to build your vocabulary. Is that okay? So that is it for today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, tell me, what are you waiting for exactly? Please hit that red button and subscribe. Look at the bell. Press it so that you will know whenever I post new videos. Odemma, thank you for watching. Bye. That will be it for today. See you in my next one. Okay, Messia.